You think I'm taking selfie? This is not a selfie matter, because my bespoke customers, they've abandoned me, because no ashwabi, no weddings. Even when they have weddings, they buy ashwabi and keep it inside. Even ready to wear, people don't want to buy because they don't have money. Even those that have money, they think it's not the best time to spend, so they are saving their money. So what am I going to do? Now that's the story with most of my fashion designers and tailors with the ongoing pandemic. In this video, we'll be discussing something very important. What can you as a fashion business owner, a fashion designer, a freelancer in fashion designing, what can you do at this time to keep your business moving, to be sure that you're growing your brand and your business with the ongoing pandemic? Okay, with all that is going on right now, you can't continue to run your business the way you used to. Things has to change. So I'll be giving you tips. Some of these tips has kept me going on so far, and I'll be sharing them with you so you can apply it in your business. And I'm sure if you do that, you're going to be building your brand, you're going to make more sales, and your business will grow despite the situation. So if this interests you, sit back and let's ride together. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. This thing is very important to me. Smash the like button and drop your comments and contribution in the comment section, and let's get right into this. If you're a business owner in this 21st century, you don't have a Facebook page, you don't have an Instagram page, you don't have a website, you don't have LinkedIn account, where are you exactly? You're cutting yourself off a lot of opportunities. So the very first thing and the best thing you can do for yourself if you are in that shoe right now is go on to Facebook and create your Facebook page. Create that Instagram page. Start making plans to create your website. You can't afford to be running an archaic business. That is what it is right now. Social media and online businesses has come to stay. So you better embrace it. Whatever the mentality, psychology that is limiting you from taking hold of those opportunities, please drop it right away. This is the 21st century and we are only going to move forward. There's no coming back on this one. So there's no way you can escape that. Drop whatever is holding you back and get online. That's the very first thing you can do for your business at this age, especially with what is happening. It has even become much more important to get your business online. You'll be missing out on a lot of opportunities by not doing that. The second tip, build your personal brand. How do you build your personal brand? Is being relatable. Okay, let me just say having a website is a little bit, far back. What do you do on your social media pages? You need to put out content that are relatable. Put yourself out there. Don't stay behind the screen and present yourself as a company that others cannot see and you are just there, okay? You are like banks, or you are like, build your personal brand. Let people see you for who you are. Let them begin to be able to relate with you. Let them begin to see what you can do and what you have to offer. Okay, put yourself out there. Now, I'm not saying you should start posting whatever on your pages and random things that doesn't concern your business. Let it be things pertaining to your business and relating to you. Let us see you. Let us begin to see the face behind the brand. Present yourself as a brand. That's just what personal branding is. You are the brand. Okay, you are the brand, not your shop. The third thing you can do at this time to move your business forward is to create content. Create digital content. Yes, you are a tailor, I know, but your job should not end behind the scene on the machine or whatever. You need to start thinking of ways to go beyond the box. You need to start thinking outside the box. Create content. Okay, let's say you started your business and you started your business a year ago. You had some challenges and all. Can you share that with us in an ebook? Okay, you know how to do certain things. You know how to sew trousers. Can you please create an online class? Okay, you know how to make ready to wear and all. Can you teach us how we can start our ready to wear brand? These are some of the things you can do. create digital content, write that book. Let's just say you have more time now, and that means you can do the things you have been planning to do, things that you didn't have time to do before. Why not start writing that book? Why not start creating that online class? Why not start giving us content, start teaching us how to do things on Facebook and all of that? If you like to teach, that is even a whole niche on its own. There are a lot of things you can do on your social media pages with that knowledge. There are a lot of value you can give to others, and aside the monetary aspect of it, just look at it as an opportunity to give to others. Don't do this for free, okay? You can have a free class, but let that be a catch onto the big fish that will help you expand your business. I can't even emphasize this enough. Create digital content. Make videos. Take that fabric. Put your phone up. A good lighting. Make that video, okay? Make that video. Start teaching us things. Start collecting money for teaching us things. That's one thing you can do with your fashion knowledge right now, and you don't even have to go to your office. Okay, let's even say you're at home. You can make use of that table, a machine, and all of that. These things, you don't need a shop to start. So let's raise that mentality that I need a place, I need this one. Those are just excuses and things that will limit you from starting up. So create that digital content, okay? Okay, I've talked about creating digital content. The next thing I'll be talking about is teach. Yes, teach. Teaching can come under creating digital content. That's if you're doing it online. But now teach others. Right now, people are less busy with office work. Some people have reduced their work hours and all of that. I realize lots of people have been contacting me to start fashion training. They want to learn and all of that. Put a regulation to ensure health, safety and all of that. But take in students and start teaching. For me, this is the best time to teach, okay? When as it is usually, when I have bespoke job, somebody else has to do the teaching, or I'm busy, or I get stressed up. But right now, I'm way more focused on my students, and I'm able to follow them, and I'm able to ensure that they learn what they need to. I'm able to teach them because bespoke job is way reduced, so I have more time. So this is the time to best teach. Let people know you're open to teach. And the next tip is create ready to wear. Yes, you may have been doing bespoke tailoring all the while and all of that. Put a small price that people can afford, and you may just get people buying from you. Advertise it on your social media page. Even if they don't buy it now, you have that in store. You have it and it is yours, and you can sell it later and all of that. So, but make this ready to wear pieces. You can make samples so you don't have bulk production down there that nobody is buying, okay? Don't make so much pieces and you're unable to sell it. Create little pieces you're able to sell, maybe 1 or 2, advertise it and see how it goes. Let people order, then you make more, okay? So don't have your money stuck in ready to wear, but you can definitely create ready to wear pieces for sale now or for later. I'm very much interested in making ready to wear, and that's one aspect I've been doing lots of research on. And for that reason, this time has given me the opportunity to create some samples, to advertise some samples. I want to know how people receive this. I want to know my target customers' need. Would they like this kind of business and all of that? So this is definitely the time. Another thing you can do with your business this period is to learn, my brother. Bespoke tailoring. In fact, our job is not an easy one at all. Okay, I'm not fully just bespoke tailoring person. I'm not even a bespoke tailoring person, but I'm doing that to keep on keeping on. You understand? It's just part of the hustle for me right now. But my dear, that aspect of my job completely takes everything off me. Like, I can't even think. I can't think of designs. I just get so busy. Everything becomes so clumsy that I'm unable to learn and all of that. You are moving your business forward. Knowledge gain is knowledge you are going to use to make money tomorrow. So this is the best time. Read books, watch videos, enroll for online classes and learn. This is the best time. This is the best time. Take that from me. So learning is not you just spending, okay? Whatever money you spend on learning is investment. You're investing it in yourself, and from learning you can begin to see how you can channel that knowledge to build your brand and become a better designer. So that is not a waste at all. Erase that from your mind. Next, you need to start advertising your brand. Start taking advertisement seriously. If you don't have an advertising budget, you should have an advertising budget. Okay, so I can't say go to media houses and all of that. We all know they are expensive, but make use of your social media handles. Okay, create Facebook advert. Whatever product you're selling, digital product, your online classes, ebook, or you have ready-to-wear pieces you want to sell, create an advertising budget. And you can advertise as low as 1,000 naira, 3,000 naira on Facebook. So don't put in all your money there when you don't have money or you are not making money right now. Aside paid advert, keep talking about your brand. Keep talking to people, keep posting on your pages about it. Aside paying for it, you need, if let's say you used to talk about your brand like once or twice a day, now you need to increase it to like 5 times. You need more awareness for your brand, and people need to know what you are offering and key into it right now. So you need to do more to get more this time. So I can't even emphasize that enough. Get an advertising budget and advertise your brand and everything you're doing. That's very important, and that way you're growing your business. Whenever you run adverts, you may not get sale right away. You may not, but people, you are taking your prospects through a journey. Okay, they know, some people now know about your brand. Some people that didn't know you even existed, they now know about you, and they start following you, they start watching what you're doing, they start a journey with you. So at the end of the day, you may be able to convert these people to paying customers. Okay, so whether you run an advert, your advert may just be for awareness. It may not be come and buy this directly and all of that. It may be for awareness so that people get to know you more. They get to know what you are offering. You are awesome already, okay, but nobody's going to know that if you don't put yourself out there, if you don't advertise what you're doing. So beyond the people following you, this is the way you can reach those who are not following you. Run targeted advert wisely. So lastly, YouTubing. I'm sure you should know by now that YouTube pays. Yes, YouTube pays, and that's why I'm here. That's why you need to subscribe, and that's why you need to smack on the like button. YouTube pays, but then it takes a lot of hard work, a lot of investment, and you won't get paid immediately, okay, until you reach certain targets, okay. But just look at it as an opportunity to build something for the future. You can start creating videos for YouTube, start creating useful videos, and then when you create these videos, share it on different platforms. Let people come and watch what you're doing, and gradually, with consistency and dedication, you can definitely get to the point where you start paying. It is very, very doable. So if that's something you would like to do, video creation, YouTubing, and all of that, I'll be putting a link for my group down there where I'll be coaching some people. It's going to be a paid class on how you can create your YouTube channel, manage your YouTube channel, and all of that. I'll also be having another class for content creation on video making, how to edit your picture, edit your videos, and simple graphics you can use as a fashion designer. Okay, I'm a fashion designer, I'm not a graphics person, but trust me, you don't want to have to pay for every of these little things. You just have to learn some of it. So if you're interested, join my Facebook group where I'll be sharing details later on, or my Telegram group. I'll put up a link in the description box. So that will be it for this video. I'm sure you must have picked a thing or two on things you can do to grow your brand at this time when business is slow paced and all of that. So you may not have to be doing buying and selling and all of that, but you're building your business at the background. Those things get to bring you money at the end of the day. Even if they are not bringing you money now, trust me, if you consistently do these things, they will eventually bring you money. Your brand will grow. You'll be a better designer. I'm sure you don't want to be like Yarisi, that tailor near your street that has been using that one small shop room for 20 years and she's still right there. Her children are grown up right now, but she's still struggling. You don't want to be like that. That's more reason why you need to start thinking outside the box and not just cutting and sewing and all of that. You need to be business minded. And this time, more importantly, digital content creation, putting your business online and all of that, they're going to take you where sewing behind the machine will not take you. Thank you very much for watching. I've been wanting to do this and I'm sure you have learned from it. So I'm fulfilled. I finally put up this video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Make sure you watch my videos, okay? So just support my hustle. You see, I'm a hustler like you, and that's why I'm inviting you to hustle, hustle, hustle hard. Don't give up, don't give in. It will surely get better. Bye.